Sorry for the bad lighting, guys. I'm laying in my bed. I'm about to go to bed. Did a lot of homework today about what kind of things I need to get prepared for and living in my car. Um, so definitely going to be working on the mattress in my car. Probably not going to do like a big old bed or anything like that. Definitely going to be getting a portable battery station, preferably around, it looks like around 600 watts. So it might be a pretty expensive one, like maybe about 150 bucks estimate. And then looking at um, definitely getting kind of like a little mini fridge, something about $100, just to keep things kind of cool, or so some foods don't go bad. Um, and that's pretty much it as far as like big expenses. I mean, I already got this bed, so I'm just going to use this bed and actually cut the bed. It's actually foam, it's a pretty dense foam. So I'm going to cut it with a big knife into the exact shape that I need into the back of my van. I'm going to use the blankets I have. These blankets are still new, so I'm going to use what I got, as much as possible. I don't need to go spending money when I'm trying to like save money. I want to share something with you real quick before I let you go this 1 minute. Again, sorry for the bad lighting, but I want to go to bed right now. I want to make sure that you guys wake up in the morning. I want to make sure that you wake up and the first thoughts of your day, you're going to know that everything's going to be okay with you guys, okay? Everything's going to be okay, you guys. Everything's going to be okay. Look at me. I'm taking a huge step back, right? I'm going to be living in my car soon. I'm going to be battling either the heat or the cold. It's going to be really difficult for me for at least a year. I'm estimating about 9 months to a year. It's going to be really difficult for me. And I still am telling you that it's going to be okay. I want you guys to wake up in the morning with beautiful, positive thoughts. Know that your children are going to be there. Know that they love you and know that you love them. Keep telling yourself that every day. Don't give up. I'm going to keep pushing this into you. They love you so much and they know that they're your daddy. They know that you are their daddy. They know that the love they have for you is like nothing else. It's not mommy's love. It's not anyone else's love. They know who daddy is. They know who daddy is. And that's you. Don't give up. Today's going to be a good day. So I hope you're catching this video in the morning when you're waking up. Because as I go to bed tonight, I want you to wake up with those positive thoughts, those images in your mind. When you're seeing your children, you're about to see your children, your day's going to be great. Things are going to go good. I love you guys. Stay strong. Don't ever give up.